So now I'm trying to put string birds on our baby lovebird. How many old this one? Dave?
Maybe 13 days old.
This is 13 days old, baby.
12 to 13 days.
13 days old this one, baby. So I'm gonna put some. I just try to hold his neck like that and put so that they will not move like that. This kind of position. Okay? So first, this one. So I enter the middle. And after,
Okay.
okay?
Yeah.
So, little bit hard too. You need to enter first. Then, put slowly.
Don't press, it's coming.
Slowly
hold
because
it.
they feel hurt.
No.
No, he can. Slowly.
No. I tell you, where you do wrong.
No.
You know, must be middle finger up. Yeah. If you make it up middle finger, it's easy to put ring.
Yeah, this one.
See, still middle finger is down.
This and
Yeah,
this
no is the perfect. Yeah, see? Okay.
This and this one.
Yeah.
Okay?
Roll like
Little
slowly.
bit roll like this.
Don't do very hard. It's
Just roll.
maybe but because baby finger is very smooth and soft,
Yeah.
can fracture easily. Oh, that's it. Make her, yeah, best.
And this side, the 3 is already finished. And the last one, the smaller one, we need to like this. Okay?
Yeah.
Like bend like this. Okay? So slowly roll. And then that's it. You're almost done. Slowly. See? Slowly. And then see. Until his foot is calm. He's near it.
Take some also, no? Hold on.
This is
Very unprofessional. Okay. You continue the video. Okay. You continue the video. I tell you how to put.
see?
Is yeah. You put, but mashallah, you take too much time.
But it's okay.
89 number.
It's
Okay.
okay. At least they have now bangles. Bangles. Churi lalo.
Chori lelo. Wait a second. Now I'm sure how to put. Okay. I'm gonna show you.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
Now his foot is.
No. Just continue this video. Don't close.
His foot is.
Okay. Don't close. I will show
You
you.
have no foot now. Okay, thank you.
No. Thank you. Wait. Hold. It's my turn. You take 4 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. Now my turn.
Baby, his foot is full.
No, Sarah.
You put? You put?
Yeah. No, close. Continue. Just see. I hold like that. Okay.
Baho lagi.
Okay. See, it's first the next straight. No, with that middle finger like this. The another finger little down. And must be able to make relax the finger. To make it tight or hard the finger. See, where is the middle finger? Is up, no? It's easy. Easily you can get it. See. Just roll little bit. I know that you feel little bit and baby. Okay, see. I hold like that, hold his thumb on the back and just roll. Because rosy collie feet is little bigger than to fisher boat. And now I hold her. See.
Oh,
Okay guys,
very
see?
fast.
Yeah. See? Ring number 90. See, ring is already I put it. This is unprofessional and professional. Thank you guys.